Bro, what is that?
Yeah, yeah.
Hello, so this is the package I just got today from Fairmei, and I'm gonna open it. I really like the tape. Oh! Oh! Wow! Oh! Wow! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
I just want to get some rain and sleep, shit low free, yeah. So what I want, then I get what I want, it's too easy, yeah.
I'm actually really excited about today's video. So I'm going to be talking about a brand called Fermé, and Fermé just means closed in French, and the brand was created by a designer, creative director named Anjela Freyja, and honestly she's just like so cool. Like her friggin' design is like so good. But yeah, she made this line during COVID just to like help out, and not only does the brand have sick ass typography, but the fact that all of the profits go towards 3 charities, which is the Red Cross for Canada, I think Red Cross for Mexico, and Feeding America, which is super cool. Like I don't know, I think it's a really great way to like help out, and it's really cool. If you're interested, I would recommend you check it out. I'll leave all the links in the description box, and yeah, just let me know if you get something. I love looking at hauls, and I like seeing what other people get. It's like a little show and shares. Yeah, anyways, the first thing I got was this shirt. This is the fall winter shirt from Fairmei, and I honestly have been really digging this Aveeno body lotion colorway lately. I don't know what it is, but I love it. It's printed on a Gildan shirt, and I got a size large, so if you own Gildan shirts, then maybe you can reference from that. And if you want to get like a similar fit to what I have, or I believe the model's also wearing size large on the website. So the next piece I got, I'm really excited about this. This is the Be a Good Neighbor crew neck, and I'm really loving hunter green lately. I don't know, it's just like, maybe it's because it's like fall, winter, that it just feels right. But the inside of this crew neck is really soft, and the tag is actually printed right on, so no scratchy tag, which for me with sensitive skin, it's like such a blessing. On the back, as you can see, I just love how big the type is, and the contrast, like contrasts so well. I'm like in love with it. This is also in a size large, and I don't know, your girl has long arms, so I like it when sleeves go halfway across my hand. So the last final piece I got was this black crew neck, and it's the Support Independent Artist crew neck. The crew neck material is on the thinner side, which I love because sometimes with the chunky crew necks, it's a bit hard to tuck in properly without having that chunky outline. So I really love this. I love the contrast of the text. The white on black just really is like striking, and it's so pretty. So I'm in love. I actually have been wearing these around the house a lot because I don't have anywhere to go, and I've just been like showing them to my brother, like my family members. I'm like,
Yeah. Ride with the mob, hamdulillah. Check in with me and do your job. Earth is the name, Pinballer did the chain. Torn off for the watch, Prezi plain Jane. Ride with the mob, hamdulillah. Check in with me and do your job. Earth is the name, Pinballer did the chain. Torn off for the watch, Prezi plain Jane. Ride with the mob, hamdulillah. Check in with me and do your job. Earth is the name, Pinballer did the chain. Torn off for the watch, Prezi plain Jane. Ride with the mob, hamdulillah. Check in with me and do your job. Earth is the name, Pinballer did the chain. Torn off for the watch, Prezi plain Jane. Jane, plain Jane, plain Jane. Suck a nigga something. Jane, plain Jane, plain Jane. Suck a nigga something. Jane, plain Jane, plain Jane. Suck a nigga something. Jane, plain Jane, plain Jane. Ride with the mob, hamdulillah. Check in with me and do your job. Earth is the name, Pinballer did the chain. Torn off for the watch, Prezi plain Jane. Ride with the mob, hamdulillah. Check in with me and do your job. Earth is the name, Pinballer did the chain. Torn off for the watch, Prezi plain Jane. Jane, plain Jane, plain Jane. Suck a nigga something. Jane, plain Jane, plain Jane. Suck a nigga something. Jane, plain Jane, plain Jane. Suck a nigga something. Jane, plain Jane, plain Jane.
Died, and you're concerned about your damn interview. She took a step closer. Her nose touching marks. Get the hell out of here, and if you come near my father again, I'll make sure to bury you in litigation. Come on, Mark, I said, taking his arm and steering him away. We went to the car, driving silently back to Blue Harbour. I think we should check on the video recorded. Showed a man, different from the one I'd gotten to know.
What you doing? Why are you sitting on my jacket? Excuse me, sir. Does not want an interview. Alright.